100%.
Tastes like meat.
Yeah, it is actually natural meat. It is look like at a taste also it is very good.
Awesome, just out of the world and really, really delicious.
Good, it's really good.
Actually, this is my first time trying something like a plant-based meat and everything. So it's actually amazing.
But for the first time, I actually found a plant-based meat which does not have soya. And trust me, I'm a meat eater. I only eat chicken and meat daily, but I just couldn't differentiate the taste.
Definitely, yeah.
Definitely, because it's healthy.
So personally, as a vegan who has eaten meat prior, I would say it's very similar. It's almost indistinguishable, yeah.
This is just amazing. It's full of proteins, no soya, no allergens. They have thought upon it and they have made it just too good. And the taste, literally, I cannot differentiate the taste. No one else can differentiate the taste between a meat and this one. It looks like pure meat, trust me.